Hi guys, Raj here, just doing a quick video about a US stock that I took a trade in called Macy's, a little bit of the analysis about why I took it and the outcome effectively. So this is Macy's on the monthly chart. You can see we've got a new PTS signal here and it kicked off I think at this date, which was around January 2021, and ever since then we've been looking for long signals. Now there is a couple of things you need to be aware of. So one, this 200 monthly moving average here, so 200 period moving average. But the good news is that we got a new momentum trigger and we also had the PTS signal moving forward. On the weekly, we also had a momentum trigger a while back and it's been making higher highs and higher lows, which was another reason why I liked it. And it's just been looking pretty good in general. So let me just bring the size of the 4-hour chart. Actually, I might move this onto the daily chart up for you. And then we can look into a few more reasons why this trade was attractive. So this is the daily chart. Then I'm going to zoom in. So generally, it's been looking quite good. We were in this uptrend here, making higher highs, higher lows above the moving averages for a while, and that was what it caught my attention. But really, it was on this candle where we got the new PTS signal, and that was really what I was looking at. So we got a new momentum trigger here, a green dot green, and the trade was taken when the PTS signal was fired up here. So not too much risk on the trade, about £100, so £120 worth of risk. Currently just about achieving 2 to 1. It was just a second ago at 2 to 1, nearly at 220, but it's just dipped back slightly. But here's the eventual target. So hopefully it can get there. So we're just past 2 to 1, maybe looking to get 3 to 1 at this previous high, or maybe just a little bit beyond that above that PTS. But just a quick video about why the trade was taken and about what it looked like beforehand and how the PTS and the momentum trigger work together, because that's really one of my favorite strategies. So first of all, it kicked off on the monthly, then we checked the weekly and see how the trend was looking like, and then on the daily we got the new PTS signal fired up, and it really is as simple as that, just trying to take the momentum trigger in line with what's going on the higher time frame. So that's it there.